In 1896, gold was found in the Klondike River, located in the Yukon Territory in Canada. Miners and ordinary people joined one of the biggest gold rushes in history. Nearly 30,000 people rushed to the cold, snow-covered mountains of Canada to strike it rich.
A stream of men and horses are moving up the trail.
After the discovery of gold in the Klondike region, railways were built in the unsettled areas. Improvements in transportation and housing brought thousands of permanent residents, and towns grew. Getting to the gold-filled areas was the most difficult part of settling into the Yukon. The journey for most explorers was hard due to the harsh weather, snowy trails, and steep, icy mountains. Gold miners had to travel through raging cold rivers. The rivers were so rough that the boats broke into pieces, and many miners lost all of their belongings and supplies.
Look over there, it's sunk.
After their boats sunk, these miners gave up on their dreams of finding gold. Ice and accidents stranded many food supply boats to the Klondike. Miners and other adventurers began to starve because food became scarce. In 1900, the Klondike Gold Rush was at its peak, and the amount of money collected in a year from the gold totaled $22 million. By 1906, however, the population in the Canadian territories dwindled. There was much less gold, and because of living conditions, most miners went back home. Some miners struck gold and became wealthy in the early years of the gold rush. Others returned home just as poor as they started.